Hi there, my name is Caitlin and I'm the host of Behind the Charge, a video series where we're going behind the scenes with Electrify America employees. Today, I'm really excited to be talking with Ken, who works in service operations for Electrify America. Ken, thank you so much for joining us today. Would you mind introducing yourself and telling us a little bit about your position?
Hi, my name is Ken and I'm Manager of Service Operations at Electrify America. I've been with the company for about 2.5 years. And my role is to maintain and service our charging network to service our customer base.
What are the main goals of Electrify America's Service Operations Group?
The main goals of Electrify America's service operations are to ensure our charging network is serviced and maintained at optimal levels to provide high-quality charging experiences for our customer base. Additionally, to mature our charging infrastructure and operations to rapidly scale with the industry over the coming years. And then lastly, I would say to drive continuous operational improvements centered around achieving best-in-class network performance with regards to key measures such as charger availability, charge success rate, and mean time to repair.
Ken, can you tell us, is there something important or interesting about Electrify America chargers that you wish more of your customers knew about?
Yeah, one interesting feature is that when you connect to one of our DC fast chargers, before a charge session is initiated, there's an end-to-end system test that occurs, including communication with the vehicle and verification of the system operations before a charge session is ever started.
What are some technical hurdles that you and your team have had to overcome in your time at Electrify America?
Yeah, given that our DC fast chargers are fully unmanned and are complex electrical systems, probably the most challenging technical hurdle that we've had to address is to create remote monitoring and diagnostic capabilities to ensure we can quickly identify and respond to any charging system issue. A lot of work and investment has been made into a strong operational back-end system, including building out a network operations center with engineers who are staffed 7 days a week to monitor and provide technical support for our network.
Ken, can you tell me, what do you love most about your job?
I can't say enough about how great it is to work on the Electrify America team. We have a group of truly passionate and capable individuals who are helping drive EV charging to the next level in the industry. It's a real privilege to be a part of this team and effort.
So what drew you to work at Electrify America and in the electric vehicle infrastructure industry in general?
On a personal level, I'm committed to sustainability and a net reduction in carbon emissions. As a father, I want to ensure that my teenage sons inherit a planet where the effects of climate change are mitigated. I was very excited to find the opportunity to work in an industry that's so closely aligned with my personal ideals and convictions.
All right, Ken, thank you so much for your time today. This has been incredibly informative. I'm Caitlin, this is Behind the Charge, and I will see you all next time.